Do you think you can have your own fresh vegetables in the dead of winter without heat? Maybe. I'll show you. So here's all the lovely little seedlings that I'm going to plant in here for the winter. I am too late to be able to harvest them through the winter, which will be a goal for next year, but I am told that they will get a really early start in the spring, so I'm okay with that. This is lettuces that we have. Here are carrots, two different kinds. This front kind was not pelleted, so they're quite tiny. The ones in the back were pelleted, and you can see there's not as much production with the pelleted, but that's okay. We're gonna see how they fare. Two kinds of kale in this one. Very excited about the kale because the kale will be really early. I already know that part. That's not an experiment. And then I have beets. And I have these beets, and then I have these beets. So there'll be a lot of beets. In the back here are some onions, and there's lots more onions as well. These radish leaves will be awesome in the salad. And then I have cilantro here. I may have to bring the cilantro into the cellar, in the root cellar, and put it on a little bit of a heat mat to really get some, but I'm okay with that too. So here we go.